Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're doing knotless braids and we're going to tuck the hair color, and I'm not going to have a long intro. We're going to skip to it, but just please subscribe, like, comment, and share for me. Let's get into the video. First, we're going to separate your braid into 3 equal sections. Firmly pinch the right section so the hair lays smooth. Then grab a piece of hair just as thick as your section and slide it in between your 2 fingers. Once you get your hair added to the right side, go ahead and plait the plait, but we're not going to add another piece until we get back to the right side. Make sure there's no extra hair in your part. So I just added my second piece of hair, and I'm just detangling to make sure that everything is, in order. And this is where I start tucking. So when you're tucking hair, of course I'm gonna add hair when I get to the right side, and you add as much hair as you need until your braid get as thick as you want it. But when it comes to tucking hair, you have to make sure that you bring the weave to the top and her natural hair to the bottom. So you might have to turn the hair, twist the hair, pull the hair, whatever you need to do to get her natural hair to the bottom, do that to tuck the hair, okay? So as you continue to watch me braid this plait, you will see me adding more hair. The view really gets better, y'all. I was my own cameraman, but anyway, that's not the story. But the view do get better, and you will see me add hair, as much hair as I need. You will see how many times I add a strand of hair, and you will see how I am tucking the hair as I go along. I also wanted to let you know the importance of tucking the hair. It's not just to conceal her natural hair color. Even though her hair color is similar to the braid color, you still want to tuck it, because if you don't, her braids will appear frizzy faster. And it's about to be summertime and people like to get wet. If you don't tuck that hair, when they get in water, it's really going to revert back to its natural state. So stay tuned until we get to the next part. I know y'all heard the rumor that say you only add 3 pieces of hair to a plait, but actually that's not true, because the longer the client want their braid, the more hair you have to add. That's why as I continue to break down, I'm adding more hair just so I can keep the thickness of the braid and achieve the length that I want. So here I'm just checking the length of my braid to make sure that my knot is going to be in the same place as the other ones. Okay, so to achieve the knot, you want to take from the longest strand of your 3 sections, you want to take a thin strand of the longest strand, wrap it around your braid and pull it through the loop. So I use my finger to wrap it around the braid, and then I literally just pull the other piece of hand through the loop. Make sure that your second knot sits on top of the first knot, and then pull your knot down. But make sure that that second knot is sitting on top of the first one. You won't have no problems with it. But thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Later.